Welcome to your financial journey. Today we are not talking about investing millions. We are talking about something more powerful. How to invest your first 100, because it's not about the amount, it's about the habit, the mindset, and the discipline of becoming the person who builds wealth and small decision at a time. So take a deep breath and imagine this 100 as your first seed, a seed that can build your financial future. Let's begin. Step number 1. Build your foundation. Before you invest, you must understand why you are investing. 100 won't change your life today, but the habit of investing, that will change your life forever. This small amount proves to yourself, I am building wealth, I am in control. So your first rule is simple. Invest consistently, not randomly. Even if it's 10 a week later, that habit is the machine that builds your future. Step number 2. Remove risk fast. Your first investment is not stocks, not crypto, not gold. Your first investment is safety, because real investors don't chase money. They protect money first. So step 2 is create a mini emergency fund. Even 20 to 13 saved aside. It gives you confidence. It gives you breathing room. And when you feel safe, you invest smarter. Step number 3. Invest in knowledge. With your first 100, the best investment is you. With your first 100, the best investment is you. $10 on a finance book, $15 on a personal growth course, $0 on YouTube learning, $0 listening to business podcasts. Knowledge is the only investment that never goes down in value. Money grows when your mind grows. Step number 4. Start with low risk investing. Now let's put your money to work. Smart investors are patient. Your safest option for $100 index funds EFTs. Start small. S&P 500 ETF, total market ETF. Low risk, long term growth. High yield savings. High yield savings or money market. Safe return, small but steady. Fractional shares. You don't need $500 to buy Amazon or Tesla. You can invest $5, $10 or $20 at a time. Focus on stable companies, not hype. And remember, invest long term, not for 3 months, but 3 years, 5 years or 10 years. Step number 5. Never forget compounding. $100 today can grow to thousands, not by magic, but by compounding. 100 invested each month at 10% annual growth becomes 5 years over 7,000, 10 years over 23,000, and 20 years over 76,000. And if you increase over time, that becomes 6 figures, then 7. Compounding is slow at first, then suddenly life-changing. Step number 6. Invest in a skill. Money grows, but skills multiply. Spend $20 to $13 learning a skill like editing, freelancing, copywriting, investing basics, coding, digital marketing. One skill can turn $100 into $1,000, and a skill never leaves you. Step number 7. Avoid these traps. Do not chase crypto hype. Do not fall for quick money apps. Do not buy courses from fake gurus. Do not put all your money in one thing. Do not trade emotionally. Wealth is not fast. Wealth is built slowly, patiently, consistently. The goal is not to get rich quick. The goal is to never be broke again. Final message. This is your first step. $100 is not small when your mind is big. This $100 represents discipline, vision, commitment, courage, and belief in your future. Repeat after me. I am building wealth. I am learning. I am growing, and I will succeed. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. Welcome to your financial journey. This is only the beginning. Soldiers, remember one thing. The world is yours.